Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. Here we are on the Euro New Zealand dollar, just taking a quick look at where it is in the market and where we expect it to go. As you can see here, we're just butted up or pushed below this important area. What are we expecting from the market next? Well, we've seen some bearish price action on the back of extended euro weakness, which looks set to continue for the time being. So let's drop down a couple of time frames. See here, for the last few days we've put in a nice couple of moves, and now it looks like we're just starting to form a backbone of some structure after this extended move down. So what are we expecting from this point on? Well, it'd be nice to see this little channel develop a little bit more, and then some nice clustering at the top here before I move higher, and ultimately expecting this to continue in the same direction. Now, for now, it's just a trade idea. Obviously, we'll have to wait and let this one develop just to see what pans out. But if we can accumulate some stops above this level, it would certainly be nice if we could see if we could collect those before continuing south. Should it continue south, then there's really not a great deal to stop it from retesting the December lows there. But yeah, let's see if this one develops.